In this video, we're going to look at how to combine inputs and outputs. On GrowthPy, we have pins that can be configured for input, where we measure their value, or output, where we control their value. So what we want to do is measure the value in one pin, the input, and use that to affect the value in another pin, which is the output. So these are the three things that we're going to use for our example. First, an ultrasonic range sensor, which is a sound to measure the distance between two objects, a green LED light, and this car over here. So we're going to use the distance that we get from the ultrasonic range sensor as our input. And we're going to use that to control the state of the LED, which is our output. So once the ultrasonic range sensor detects that the car has crossed a certain threshold value, we want the green LED light to turn on. So the first thing we need to do is import the right GrowthPy libraries. Next, we need to create a class. I've called mine distance in this case, but you can choose whatever name you like. So here I've created a main method, and I've created instances for GrowthPy, an ultrasonic ranger sensor, which I've connected to digital pin 4. And I have an LED, an instance of an LED, which is now connected to digital pin 3. So I've created an infinite loop. So while true, this is so that the program doesn't terminate and it keeps running. We do a conditional check. So if the distance from the range sensor is greater than 150, and 150 here is an arbitrary value, so you can choose whatever value you like, and whatever value is appropriate in your environment. So if the range sensor distance is greater than 150, we set the LED state to false, else we set the LED state to true. Now we go to the command line and try to compile our code. Now let's test that our program works. As you can see, the green LED is currently off, and it's because the car is still quite a distance away from the ultrasonic range sensor. Now let's try to move the car slightly closer to see if it causes the green LED to turn on. As you can see, as the car crossed the threshold value, the green LED turned on. So we know our program works. To summarize, in this video, we looked at how to take an analog input from an ultrasonic ranger and use that to set the output for a green LED light. Thank you for watching.